monsters and they even driving you bonkers. Just blinding with rocket launchers, some lights are lower than conscious. If you really wanna juxtapose and take a darker color with the blush of rose and then you put it in your ecological, your mind is always open when your eyes are closed because you're blind to color and you're blind to green. Blind to all the things that you don't need and you find a mind and then you plant a seed and you nourish it a little bit of green. Yeah.
I'm living in the night, the sky's my home and I live in the clouds. Now and never, bound forever, making a change and making it better. I live with this shit.